An update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. Today I'm going to go through US cocoa as well, but starting with natural gas first. And what do we have right here? For me, like I mentioned yesterday, that I'll be looking at a major level here on Oanda for a proper push down and a reversal. But on the other platforms, we do have a price hit a major area of value, which I'm going to go through first. Here on Nemex first, as you can see, the price did push down from the area of value. The ATR is 5 and price has pushed down around 5 ATR, which is something like this already. And just a heads up, it is not something I'm looking for reversal. This push down can be till 20 EMA or till 50 EMA. So that can be a good pullback, nice one. But again, I'm expecting a continuation out of natural gas. So after this push down, it was me. I would exit and look for my next entry condition. We can also expect at this point a possible double top pattern, which is something like this. Let's say we have a push down, price forms a bullish engulfer. I'm going to go long and then we can exit here, look for a bearish condition. If you have a bearish condition, we're going to go for double top, stop loss above, take profit, and then again look for next conditions. That is what I'm expecting from price action at this point. Expect some more and deep pullback. And I do have the zone below, which I've just redone, which is right here, 2.053, that goes to 2.501, a zone from where we can get a possible push up and a likely bounce. Let's say if this pullback is strong enough, price come into this zone and forms a bullish engulfer or double bottom, that will be a very strong signal that price is going to likely shoot higher. Otherwise, wait and see how it goes. Price reacted nicely from my zone. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. It is a zone from where we can expect some good pullbacks. That is enough to hit your targets, exit, look for the next conditions after that. And once we have a conditions in this zone like bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern, in that case we are good to go short. There can be some pullback before the price will head nicely reacted from the zone that was mentioned in my yesterday's video. Here on Nemex, we have a nice push down. The next buy trade will be either from this zone or above 50 EMA, followed by bullish engulfer, or if we are completely broken above this top, in that case I will look for the next continuation buy trade. So these are conditions I will be looking at. Keep an eye and wait for the price to give us a good pullback, then look for a next possible conditions. Now coming back on here on capital.com, we still did not hit a level of minor resistance. And by the way, that wouldn't be a valid bearish engulfing candle. As you can see, the candle opened below. For a valid bearish engulfer, I want to see a complete engulfing candle that engulfs the previous candle, including the body, whole body, and that is not the case, which is here on this platform. That is fine. If you are trading on Nemex, you have an entry. If you are trading on this platform, we need to wait and stay back with patience. I personally trade on Oanda and I also look for entry condition on this platform, and we have no conditions on our platform, but we got lots of traders trading on Nemex. So at this point, if you are aggressive trader, again the 50% can be your buy limit order and take profit can be 1.618 retracement, or for the pullback entry, wait for the good pullback followed by bullish engulfer and keep on taking longs. I've already mentioned these zones in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check these zones because it is a zone. If you have a dramatic push down, I will look for a bullish engulfers or double bottom entry condition. So only pullback entry, bullish on this one after a good pullback above 50 EMA, bullish engulfer, long here. Next buy trade will be above this high, or if you have a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA or at this area with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. Aggressive entry can be 50% retracement with a buy limit order here on Oanda. Now if I use the upper level, in that case the aggressive entry has been triggered with a 50% retracement. So if you are an aggressive trader, that is your aggressive entry. I would like to enter in a less aggressive way, which is a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing candle. Otherwise, that is aggressive entry has been triggered. Stop loss can be below this pattern. Take profit 1.618 retracement initially, and then we're going to look for next entry condition. Otherwise, if you are not an aggressive trader, wait for the price to give us some more pullback above 50 EMA with a bullish engulfing pattern. We're going to go long using 1 to 2 ATR for our targets, or this zone, which is right here, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. With bullish engulfers or double bottom will be my entry conditions. Wait for that. Once with these conditions, I'm going to go for next long trade. Next up, we have silver. Silver is still ranging sideways, and as you can see, we have a bullish engulfing candles. I can still see a bullish pressure. Aggressive entry has been triggered, so we can still expect some good push up out of silver. And once we have broken above this high, only then I start to look for my next pullback with the bullish engulf and keep on taking long. Still, we are in the zone above right here, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. In case you have missed it, it is right up there, a zone from where I'm going to look for my next bearish entries with bearish engulfers, a double top entry pattern. Have these zones ready on your charts. Once we have a conditions, we're going to take short from the zone above, and we have already got a buy signal right here, so I'm expecting a price to push up from here. Next up we have gold. Again, no signals on gold, but we are in general, we are bullish. Nice gap in the EMAs. We can possibly get some more pullback and then a possible bullish engulfing pattern. If we have that, I'm going to go long and use 1 ATR for my target. So bullish overall, but I'm still looking for my entry conditions. That can be either a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA, or after a break above this high, I want to see another bullish engulfing pattern. So that is what I'm looking at, expecting a price to push higher from here, but look for your conditions, valid conditions. Next one, we have crude oil. So crude oil is still ranging. Now we have our targets hit. As mentioned yesterday, we are still waiting for the price to completely break above this zone. Remember, without a condition, we are just gambling. Price can either break above or break below for a bearish continuation. So that is what I'll be looking at, and wait and see how it goes. Wait with patience. Once we are completely broken above this zone, which I've already mentioned yesterday, once we have that, we're going to look for a pullback and then only going to go long after that. If we are broken below these lows, then we can start to look for the bearish continuation trades. For now, wait and see how we have a breakout above or a breakout below. No trades here on crude oil. Right here on US cocoa, and nicely pulling back up from my anchor level. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. So no retest, no entries, but I'm now looking at this anchor level, which is 6459, that goes to 6680. At this point, if the price push down here forms a bullish engulfer, just expect little bounce. There can be below 50 EMA, and then price can form another bearish candle that will push the price lower. So it will still push down, but expect a bounce from this little anchor level. With that can be double bottoms as well, or bullish engulfer, and after that price will likely to push lower. Nice one. So as you can see how nicely price pushed lower after this bearish engulfing pattern. We had a nice push down, and then we are getting a pullback. Now this anchor level, a pullback was expected from here. Now we are getting a pullback, and that can be till 50 EMA as well. Now that doesn't mean you start buying till 50 EMA, but if you have a pullback till 50 EMA and price from exactly something like this, a bearish engulfer, a previous candle green and then a red candle, something like this as well. If we have a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, I'm going to go short again, and I want to see a break below this low and this anchor level as well. Once we are broken below, we are looking at the next anchor level, which is right here, from where we can get another bounce and then a continuation towards the downside. So expecting some bearish moves, but only with conditions. If we have conditions like bearish engulfers below 50 EMA, I'm gonna go short. Otherwise, expect some more pullback and then possible double bottom and then possible push down. That is what I'm expecting from US cocoa. So I'm only looking for bearish trades here on cocoa, but with conditions only. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.